Expedia versus Hopper. Watch before booking. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which travel booking platform is better among Expedia and Hopper. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Expedia. Expedia offers robust rewards program offering points for bookings redeemable for discounts and free travel. Extensive offerings including flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacation packages. Access to exclusive deals and discounts for members. Offers significant savings on bundled travel packages. Versatile app with features for booking, itinerary management, and travel updates. Somehow, it can be overwhelming due to the extensive range of services and options. Mixed reviews regarding the efficiency and helpfulness of customer service. Sometimes slightly higher prices compared to competitors for certain bookings. Now, let's come towards Hopper. Hopper uses advanced algorithms to predict the best time to book flights and hotels, potentially saving you money. Highly optimized for mobile use, making it easy to book travel on the go. Allows you to freeze prices on flights and hotels for a small fee, giving you time to decide. Sends alerts for price drops and deals, ensuring you get the best price. User friendly and intuitive interface, ideal for quick bookings. Primarily focused on flights and hotels, with fewer options for car rentals and vacation packages. Limited customer support options compared to Expedia. Lacks a comprehensive rewards program like Expedia's. Choosing between Expedia and Hopper depends on your specific travel preferences. In 2024, the better choice hinges on whether you need a comprehensive travel booking platform with extensive services and a robust rewards program Expedia, or a mobile first app with advanced price prediction and simple booking features Hopper. Consider what features are most important to you and your travel style to make the right decision. That's all for this video.